In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build advanced Jira dashboards with custom charts. We will start by opening Jira and heading to the Dashboards tab from the left-hand menu. This is where you can create a space dedicated to the metrics and visual insights that matter most to your team. Dashboards are especially useful when you want a quick centralized view of work trends without digging through multiple project screens. Once you are there, click the Create Dashboard button. You will then be asked to name your dashboard, so choose something descriptive and specific to the team or purpose. A clear name makes it much easier to identify later, especially if your organization uses multiple dashboards for different projects or departments. After naming it, select Save to create the dashboard. Next, click Edit in the top right corner so you can adjust the layout. This is an important step because the structure of your dashboard affects how easy it is to read. For example, you might choose a 2-column layout if you want a clean, balanced view, or a 3-column split if you plan to display several charts at once. Pick the layout that best supports the way you want your data presented. After that, click Add Gadget and filter by the Charts tag. This helps you quickly find Jira's native analytical tools designed for visual reporting. A few especially useful options appear here. The Created versus Resolved chart helps you compare incoming ticket volume against the rate your team is closing work, which is useful for spotting whether demand is outpacing capacity. The Average Age chart shows the average number of days issues have remained unresolved, giving you a sense of how long work is sitting in the backlog. The Pie chart is another helpful option, allowing you to visualize issue types or priorities based on pre-built Save JQL filters, which can reveal the overall composition of your backlog at a glance. Once you find a chart that fits your reporting goal, click Add next to it. That places the chart onto your dashboard and takes you into the setup phase. From there, you can customize the chart according to your needs by defining the data source and selecting the criteria you want the chart to display. This is where your dashboard becomes truly useful because each chart can be tailored to highlight the exact trends and metrics you care about. And that's it. You've successfully added a new custom chart to your Jira dashboard. Customizing your dashboard is all about creating a visual experience that supports your workflow and objectives. Take some time to explore the available options and shape the dashboard into something that genuinely helps you understand and act on your data. Thanks for watching.